In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp. First, head to ClickUp Home on the left side of your screen. This opens the main navigation where you manage everything in your workspace. From there, click on Spaces. Spaces are like high-level containers for your projects and processes, so choose the space where you want this form to live. Click into that space to open it. Inside the space, look for the option to add a view. Click View, then choose Form from the list of view types. This tells ClickUp you're creating a form that will generate tasks when someone submits it. Go ahead and create the form. To move quickly, select the feedback form template for now. Templates are great starting points. You can customize everything later. Next, choose where you want submissions to be saved. You'll see a prompt asking for a destination. Click to select the exact list where new tasks created by this form should land. Picking the right list matters because it controls what fields are available, which automations apply, and who has access. With the location set, open the Build tab. This is where you edit the details. Rename the form to match your use case and add a short description so respondents know what to expect. Adjust the questions by dragging fields into the order you want. You can mark important fields as required, add helper text to clarify what you're asking for, and remove anything you don't need. The clearer the form, the better the submissions you'll receive. Now switch to Settings. In the section for what happens after submitting the form, decide whether to show a confirmation message or redirect people to a specific page. Keep the message concise and appreciative. Then review your submission settings. Here you can control how the resulting tasks are created. Things like default assignee, status, priority, or tags, so your team knows exactly how to triage new items. You can also fine-tune whether file uploads are allowed and how many submissions are permitted per person. Move to Layout to adjust the overall structure and feel. Choose how fields are arranged and how labels appear so the form is easy to scan. Then set your colors to match your brand or space theme. Consistent visuals help your form look professional and trustworthy. When everything looks good, click Preview. This shows you the real respondent experience before anything goes live. Check that the questions flow logically, required fields make sense, and the confirmation behaves the way you set it. If something feels off, return to Build or Settings, tweak, and preview again until it's just right. That's it. You've created a polished ClickUp form that feeds clean, structured tasks into the right place.